Hello everybody. I wanted to share with you my experiment. I was trying to root ginger. I put water in here and I put a piece of ginger here and like just like half of the ginger covered with water and half not covered. It did not come out good because I kept on changing the water. But the problem is, okay, I got this little pointy stuff around it, but basically that's all. Nothing would grow, the water would just, start ending up spoiling. But look at this. I put it in a zippy bag, just like I did a video on the seedlings. And look at this. I have 2 plants growing here, and I just put a piece of paper towel with water, damped it with water, and then I just sticked in 2 pieces of the ginger, and there you go. See, I find it that it's more easier this way, but it did take maybe more than a month. Yeah, maybe because it was cool here still. It all depends. So greenhouse method does work 100%, and I can start sticking this in soil. I'll just try to take it out. All right, so I took it out of the bag. I didn't want to break it, but I just pulled it gently by the plant, and it just all came out because of the roots. So it all came out with paper and all. The roots are there. You see all those roots? So yeah, I'm going to pull them apart gently without breaking it. Yeah, and I'm going to plant it in soil. So yeah, this method is way better. I've tried other methods, which I've seen videos about the onion and then whatever, etc. I tried soaking it in water, but it just didn't come out. But this one instead gave me a nice pretty plant. See, the plant already has a leaf. I should have taken it out sooner, like when it was just this size, but it's okay. It didn't die. So now I'm going to plant it in soil, and voila, there is my well-rooted ginger. I hope you like this method, and if you try it out, let me know, comment below. And if it came out the way this one came out, let me know, comment below. So yes, it's a short video I made, and I just wanted to share with you my success on this method, and I hope you try it out. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.